Tonight we're exploring artificial intelligence, AI, a force quietly reshaping our world. From the way we communicate to how we work and even how we relax, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. No longer science fiction, AI is now the engine behind digital transformation, fundamentally changing how businesses operate and serve customers. It's not just about efficiency, it's about creating new opportunities and unlocking potential that was previously unimaginable. Digital transformation means using modern technology to reinvent business processes, culture, and customer experiences. It's about leveraging AI to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and deliver personalized experiences that meet the evolving needs of customers. For a coffee shop, it might be an app for pre-orders, a simple yet effective way to enhance customer convenience and satisfaction. For a global company, it's using data to predict customer needs, optimize supply chains, and drive innovation. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time allows businesses to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. At the heart of these changes is AI, making everything smarter and more efficient. From manufacturing to customer service, AI is transforming industries by automating tasks, reducing errors, and improving outcomes. The global AI market is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. A tidal wave of economic change. This growth is driven by the increasing adoption of AI across various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and beyond. By 2030, AI could boost major economies by double digits, adding trillions to global wealth. The impact of AI on economic growth is expected to be profound, creating new jobs and industries while transforming existing ones. It's now a necessity for survival and growth, not just an option. Companies that fail to embrace AI risk falling behind, while those that do are poised to thrive in the new digital economy. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, banks prevent fraud, and improving the accuracy and efficiency of these critical tasks. And online stores personalize your shopping experience, making it easier to find what you need and discover new products. The promise: AI can solve complex problems by analyzing vast data, unlocking new efficiencies and better experiences. It's about harnessing the power of data to drive innovation and create value. We're witnessing the dawn of a new industrial age, powered by data and intelligent algorithms. This new era is characterized by rapid technological advancements and unprecedented opportunities for growth and development. The question isn't if AI will change our world, but how fast and how far. As we continue to innovate and integrate AI into our lives, the possibilities are endless, and the future is bright. To grasp the AI revolution, let's break down its core components. Machine learning teaches computers by example, enabling them to recognize patterns and make predictions. Natural language processing lets machines understand and generate human language, think Siri or chatbots. Computer vision gives machines the ability to interpret images and video, powering facial recognition and self-driving cars. Robotic process automation handles repetitive digital tasks, freeing humans for creative work. Recommendation systems personalize your online experience, suggesting what to watch or buy next. These building blocks form the foundation of intelligent systems transforming our world. AI is no longer a single technology. It's a toolkit reshaping every industry. In healthcare, AI is not just a buzzword, it's saving lives and fundamentally transforming the way care is delivered. From the moment a patient enters a hospital, artificial intelligence is working behind the scenes to improve every step of their journey. AI algorithms now analyze medical images, X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, spotting diseases with superhuman accuracy, often catching subtle signs that even experienced doctors might miss. This technology is helping to detect conditions like cancer, strokes, and heart disease earlier than ever before. The result? Earlier, more accurate diagnoses and better outcomes for patients. Families can receive answers faster, and doctors can start life-saving treatments sooner, giving hope where there was once uncertainty. AI also enables personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to each patient's unique genetics, lifestyle, and medical history. This means therapies can be more effective and side effects reduced, as care becomes truly individualized. Systems like HealthAPeople sift through massive datasets, millions of records, lab results, and clinical notes to guide care decisions, helping doctors make sense of complex information in seconds. Administrative tasks, scheduling, records, insurance are increasingly automated, freeing up valuable time for staff to focus on what matters most, caring for patients and improving their experience. Chatbots and virtual assistants answer patient questions 24/7, providing reliable information, appointment reminders, and even mental health support, making healthcare more accessible than ever. Meanwhile, predictive analytics help hospitals manage resources, anticipate patient needs, and optimize staffing, ensuring that care is available when and where it's needed most. The AI healthcare market is booming, expected to hit $188 billion by 2030, as more organizations invest in smarter, data-driven solutions. But with great power comes great responsibility. Protecting patient data and ensuring fairness is critical. Robust cybersecurity and ethical guidelines are essential to maintain trust and prevent bias. When used ethically and thoughtfully, AI promises a future of healthcare that is more predictive, personalized, and accessible for everyone, regardless of background or location. The future of medicine is not just smarter and faster, it's more human-centered, compassionate, and connected than ever before. Finance thrives on data, making it a natural home for AI. The sheer volume and complexity of financial information is staggering, and AI's ability to process, analyze, and learn from this data is transforming the industry at every level. From Wall Street to Main Street, artificial intelligence is driving a new era of innovation and efficiency in financial services. AI-driven fraud detection analyzes millions of transactions in real time, blocking suspicious activity before damage is done. These systems adapt quickly to new threats, learning from patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to spot alone. As cybercrime evolves, AI is becoming the frontline defense for banks and their customers. Algorithmic trading uses AI to predict market moves and execute trades in milliseconds. This speed and precision help investors capitalize on fleeting opportunities, while also managing risk more effectively. AI-powered trading strategies are now a cornerstone of global financial markets. Robo-advisors make investing accessible, building personalized portfolios for everyday people. With just a few taps, anyone can receive tailored investment advice, automatic rebalancing, and ongoing support, services that were once reserved for the wealthy. AI chatbots now handle banking questions 24/7, improving customer service and freeing up human agents. These virtual assistants can answer queries, resolve issues, and even help with complex transactions, making banking more convenient than ever before. Generative AI could boost investment bank productivity by 25% by 2026. By automating routine tasks, generating insights, and supporting decision-making, AI is helping financial professionals focus on higher-value work and innovation. But AI in finance must be fair. Biased data can lead to unfair lending or investment decisions. Ensuring that algorithms are transparent and unbiased is crucial to building trust and protecting consumers from discrimination. Regulators and banks are working to ensure AI is explainable and ethical. New guidelines and oversight aim to make sure that AI systems are accountable, auditable, and aligned with public interest. The result, a more secure, efficient, and inclusive financial system. AI is opening doors for people who were previously underserved, making financial tools and services more widely available. AI is redefining how we manage, invest, and protect our money, shaping the future of finance for everyone. AI is the secret sauce behind today's personalized shopping experiences. Recommendation engines learn your preferences, suggesting products you'll love. AI powers dynamic pricing, virtual try-ons, and predicts fashion trends from social media. Behind the scenes, AI optimizes inventory and supply chains, reducing waste and keeping shelves stocked. Brick-and-mortar stores use AI for smarter layouts and cashierless checkouts. The AI in e-commerce market is set to surpass $22 billion by 2032. Shopping is now seamless, efficient, and tailored, thanks to AI. Manufacturing is entering the era of Industry 4.0, powered by AI. Predictive maintenance uses sensors and AI to prevent breakdowns before they happen, minimizing costly downtime. AI-driven computer vision inspects products at lightning speed, catching flaws invisible to humans. Siemens and others use AI to optimize design and efficiency. Collaborative robots, cobots, work safely alongside humans, adapting to new tasks and boosting flexibility. In logistics, AI solves complex delivery puzzles. UPS's Orion system plans optimal routes, saving fuel and time. AI streamlines supply chains, making them faster, cheaper, and greener. The result: higher quality, less waste, and smarter factories. AI is transforming how we make and move everything. The future of manufacturing is intelligent and collaborative. AI is revolutionizing both classrooms and roads. In education, AI personalizes learning, adapting lessons to each student's pace and needs. Teachers use AI to automate grading and access tailored resources, freeing time for real teaching. The AI education market is set to top $21 billion by 2028. In transportation, AI powers self-driving cars and smart safety features, making roads safer. AI optimizes city traffic and public transit, reducing congestion and pollution. The AI transportation market is booming, promising safer, smarter travel. From learning to commuting, AI is building a more connected society. The future of AI is even more exciting. Democratization means anyone can build AI apps thanks to low-code platforms. Explainable AI is making systems more transparent and trustworthy, especially in high-stakes fields. Multimodal AI can process text, images, and sound together, enabling richer, more natural interactions. Digital twins let us simulate and optimize real-world systems virtually. Edge AI brings intelligence to devices, enabling real-time decisions and better privacy. These trends will make AI more accessible, powerful, and responsible. The next wave of AI will be everywhere, and for everyone. For business leaders, the question isn't if, but how to adopt AI. Start by setting clear goals. Solve real problems, not just chase technology. Build a strong data foundation. Quality data fuels quality AI. Begin with a small pilot project to test and learn before scaling up. Invest in training your workforce to work alongside AI. Address ethical challenges. Ensure privacy, fairness, and transparency. Success in one area builds momentum for broader transformation. AI adoption is a journey. Take it step by step. With the right approach, any organization can harness AI's power. The future belongs to those who embrace intelligent transformation.